Hey, what's up? What's going on, everybody? It's Ron here with Digital Brand Boosters, and today we're going to be showing you how to connect a domain to the hosting package, okay? And now the registrar that I'm using right now is GoDaddy, and most of our clients use GoDaddy or Namecheap. It's the same process, but for now we're going to be using GoDaddy, which is a little bit more options and customizable and all these things. But we're going to be showing you how to do this, all right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the cPanel, and this is for a client website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you when you type in a domain/cPanel, you get redirected to a portal. Now this portal is how you log in and do all the hosting things I'm talking to you about, how to connect a host to a domain name and how to do all that cool stuff, all right? So I'm going to log in here. All right. Now, once you log in the main screen, it's different in Namecheap, it's different in here, but you want to look for the name servers. So the name servers is pretty much the address of your hosting. Because right now, when you have a domain, the domain we're going to put this on is fantabulousfoods.com. If you go here, fantabulousfoods.com, you're going to see that it's hooked up to nothing. And what we're going to do is we're going to change it so it hooks up to HostGator and it shows up, the HostGator information. So right here, if you look at the site, you'll see if you scroll down to the right, there's general information. And right here, you're going to see primary name server and secondary name server. This is the information you're going to need to make the domain point to our hosting account. So how you're going to do that is, let's go back to GoDaddy and let's go to manage, okay? fantabulousfoods.com, manage. You're gonna see some information here. We're gonna go to manage DNS. I should have clicked that first, but manage DNS is just managing that hosting information that helps us accomplish the pointing to HostGator. So over here, you're gonna see some records and stuff. Right now, this is not really the main focus. You can see that these name servers were put an hour ago. I think that's when the client bought this or when it refreshes. But what we're going to do is we're going to change these default name servers. Right now you can see that they're set up to different name servers, domaincontrol.com. That's why nothing's showing up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy these name servers over to change it, right? Let's change these. So we're going to do custom. The first one's going to be that first one that we've seen, and the second one's going to be that second one that we've seen. Right now I'm copying them. Paste, save, and we should be good to go. Now the next step, of course, obviously, is installing WordPress. You're still going to see nothing yet because we just did this. It takes a little bit of time for GoDaddy to communicate with HostGator and say that, hey, we just changed the name servers. This domain actually has a hosting account, and it takes a little bit of time for that to happen. So you're not really going to see anything at the moment. All right, it's going to take a little bit. But once it's done, what you're going to do is you're going to install WordPress on the website, and you can do that by here. So what I'm going to do just to end this now is the last thing you want to do is, because remember, this site just got added to the hosting account. This GoDaddy domain just got added to HostGator. So we want to make sure that it's physically added to on the hosting account. This is something you actually have to do as well. So if I copy fantabulousfoods.com, over here, I got to go to add-on domains. And what that means is you're saying, hey, this hosting account should also have this domain as well, because here's also where you install WordPress. All right, so just let it load real quick. Cool, so now we see create an add-on domain. And what that means is, hey, let's add this new domain that we just registered on GoDaddy to our hosting account. So you're going to paste it here. It just auto loads everything. I'm going to add this domain, and I should be good to go. If you see any errors, it's usually because you're in a hosting package that actually only allows one domain to be associated to the hosting account. But we have a unlimited hosting domain account, so we can add as much domains as we want. It's successfully been added. Again, it's going to take a little bit to see the site actually loading. So, you have to be patient. Okay, cool. Right here, you can see that there's nothing installed on the website. But that's pretty much how you connect the name servers to the hosting. So you can see here that the screen has changed. It has recognized a new host. Usually it takes a little bit longer. Sometimes it doesn't. You can see here that it's still having some errors. But for the most part, this is how you just set up the name servers, set up the domain name, the domain.com, to the actual hosting account, all right? Now, there's other videos on how to install WordPress and make sure everything's great. So watch those if you need any help. But other than that, thank you so much. Have a great day and rock on.